Hi, Kelvin.
What's up?
I heard you got in trouble for what you said in the video last week.
Yeah, man. Big trouble, man.
Something about a duck face?
Yo, no, there's nothing about a duck face. Nothing.
Oh, it's funny. It's funny. Anyway, YouTube community, thank you so much. This morning I checked and we have 805 subscribers to the channel. I am in love with all 805 of you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Another 195 before we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. And if it keeps continuing like this, we should have it right around the 1st of April. Anyway, right now we are driving to a job in Valley Stream. The job description is leaking radiator. Capiche? Mr. Duckface? Kelvin SSB. Anyway, I'll take some video while we're there, just to show you the variety of work that we do. We don't just do Navians and Fujitsus and, you know, work on furnaces. We also take care of the leaks. No job too big or too small. Stay tuned. All right, so the client tried to replace the bleeder. Ended up needing to put some putty on it. Hopefully we can save the connector. Kevin, let me get a...
Channel lock?
No. Don't even need that, actually. Let's see if we can take off that nipple out of the tapping. Maybe. Wow, just when you thought you've seen it all.
I don't know if they try to replace it and then they you know.
Yeah, I'm almost positive that instead of a 45, it's be on a vertical position. We're gonna try to take out that 45-degree elbow there and do it like we did in the dining room there for you. Wow. All right. Well, I tried keeping all of them, but I'm gonna put the Caleffi in instead because 5 out of 7 are leaking. Ooh. Come on, baby. Get in there. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And 5. Time to go refill the boiler. Come to the light. Kelvin, turn on the light switch up on the stairs. Time to refill the boiler. I swear the kid moves as slow as molasses. The red switch, Kelvin. He's not the sharpest tool in the shed. Let's fast fill this boiler. And purge. Hydronic water, pressure reducing valve, manual feed is open. Fast fill goes through the boiler, up and around to the zone, and it comes back here. This is closed. Wait till the bubbling to stop, and we're good. Kelvin, SSB. Do the duck face. Come on, let's do it.
You're gonna get me in trouble, man.
You're already in trouble. Let's do it.
Nah, I'm ready.
Scarred. Scarred.
I am scared, man.
Scarred. Scarred.
For those of you that know, man, you guys already know. Like, once you go in there with a Spanish woman, it's like the end of your life.
And she's Puerto Rican, too.
Yeah, she's Puerto Rican.
And she throws knives at you, doesn't she?
Hell yeah.
And pots and pans and...
Yeah, man, I'm gonna be in a doghouse.
Example of don't pay twice. You pay once. That's what happens when you shop at Home Depot.
Yeah.
You know why? Because that guy's a Home Depot shopper. Home Depot shopper. Home Crapo. Home Crapo. Where low prices are just the beginning. Hey guys, you guys wanted a sneak peek of the truck, right? That's just a sneak peek. If Kelvin ever organizes this truck and cleans it up a little bit better than it has been, I'll take a video. But you know, Kelvin likes to stand on, step on landmines.
Yeah, like check your boots.
My boots are clean, bro. My boots are clean. Almost as clean as this truck.
Yeah, okay.
Bow! Little sneak peek. Sneak peek for the truck. All right, time for some lunch. We need to go to Juanito's on Rockaway Avenue in Valley Stream. They make the best churrascos. Churrascos. All right. Remember, if you aren't a subscriber, you need to subscribe now. Talk to you later.